Hello friends, welcome to iSmart Technology. This video is about find out area of a square, rectangle and circle using method overloading. Method overloading is an example of polymorphism. So first of all you have to understand what is polymorphism. Polymorphism means one thing in multiple form. There are two types of polymorphism, static polymorphism and dynamic polymorphism. Method overloading is an example of static polymorphism and method overriding is an example of dynamic polymorphism. In this video, in this program, we have to understand static polymorphism, method overloading. Let's start from class over poly. Here we have declared two class over poly and class S poly. S we have stands for static polymorphism. Okay, now first of all, class over poly. In class over poly class, there are three area functions. First area functions calculating area of a square, second area function calculating area of a rectangle, third area function calculating area of a circle. So here you can see that function name is same, area is same, function name is same, but work is different. Now let's we have to start our program from the main function. Public static void main string args. Main is a function which is executing a program. Over poly obj equal to new over poly. So over poly is a class name, object obj is a object name. So obj is the object name of over poly class. So we can access the functionality of over poly class. Object dot area, obj dot area 2. So in argument we have passed value 2. 2 is the integer value. So which area function will be called? First area function will be called. Here you can see void area integer L. So 2 value will be copied in variable L. Res equal to L multiplied by L means Res equal to 2 multiplied by 2, it will be 4. The area of square is 4. Now again we have to transfer the control the previous location. Obj dot area 3 comma 5. Here we have passed two argument, so two argument function will be called. It is a second function void area float L comma float B. So 3 value will be copied in variable L and 5 value will be copied in variable B. Now Res equal to L multiplied by B, 3 multiplied by 5, it will be 15. The area of the rectangle is 15. Now again control will be transferred to the previous location. Object dot area 2.5. Here one argument we have passed, but it is in the form of double. So third function will be called void area double R. Okay, so what will be the value of R? 2.5. Here you have to calculate Res equal to 3.14 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 2.5. It will give some answer 19 point something. So you have to display the answer. The area of the circle is result. Okay, we have to check this program. Here you can see the area of a square is 4, the area of the rectangle is 15 and the area of a circle is 19.625. Okay students, this is the example of static polymorphism. This is a method overloading. Why it is called method overloading? Because method name is same but work is different. This is method overloading. Thank you very much. If this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe my channel.